The only person to preach Biafra to you and you will listen are those who are under our Central Command, IPOB, of course, with Radio Biafra. Anything else up on Dioshika Hab. I must warn you. These are vultures and they are vagabonds that are very poor and wretched. They think Biafra is the means through which and by which they can survive. These are wretched people and failures in their field of endeavor. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say we never.
Do you think it is easy? Do you think it is easy for somebody to wake up and tell you 140 days to Biafra, 139 days to Biafra, 138 days to Biafra? You think it is easy? It is not easy, my friend. I'm not talking about 100 years. I'm not talking about 100 months. I'm talking about 138 days to Biafra. How many days is 138 days? Biafra will be restored in 2023. This movement will restore Biafra in 2023. Go and mark my word. And I have always told you people, I know the day Biafra will come. Biafra that Wazirike did not declare since 1999. I'm going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. The Biafra that it could not get from 1967 is this Amonepa that is going to declare it between 2022 and 2023. All of you are just very idiotic. Because we have a target. We have a target. Our target is to make sure that Nigeria, we will not allow Nigeria to conduct election in Biafra territory. That is our target. Our target is when we succeed in stopping Nigeria from conducting election in Biafra land, we are not going to have senator, we are not going to have governor, we are not going to have House of Representatives, we are not going to have House of Assembly, we are not going to have a chairman, we are not going to have a local government chairman, we are not going to have any criminal political appointee from Biafra.
Can you say the too loud? Onye kpata obere ego ọ na-eme mkpọtụ. Ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ na-akpa anyị asị.
Onye ọwụla na-esusi na ọ na-esusi n'ala Igbo na-eme ihe ọ na-eme si na ọwụ kwere m ka ji na-eme ya ọwụ kwere n'ihi m. I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this, anybody involved. I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want it. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it will soon end.